The cam belt is a critical component of your engine. It is essentially a toothed rubber belt that connects a number of mechanical components in the engine, ensuring that they move in perfect timing with each other to make your engine run smoothly and efficiently. As the cam belt is made of rubber, it will weaken over time, and constant stress and flex can cause lots of small cracks which eventually may cause the belt to snap. If your cam belt snaps, this will cause severe damage within your engine as the internal components are no longer synchronized. During the cam belt change, our technicians strip down the relevant components of the engine, replace the belt and cam belt tensioner, and following completion of the work, fully road test your vehicle. By having your cam belt changed at the recommended intervals, you can be confident that your engine will continue to run efficiently and effectively.